Get your free trial of our training for lawyers at www.teachucomp.com/lawyers.
In this lesson, we will examine using QuickBooks to return escheated trust funds. Escheat occurs when there are no legal heirs to property. Most commonly, this is used to return abandoned trust funds to the state. For example, if a lawyer held funds in trust for a client and then could not find the client or any other legal heirs after pursuing all avenues possible. When escheat occurs, law firms are required to send the funds to the state along with a detailed report. The reporting requirements vary from state to state, and you should check with your state to find the specifics. Escheated funds are then held by the state and can be collected at a later date by the original owner or heirs should they return to claim the funds. If you have escheated funds to give to your state, the process is similar to creating a refund check for the trust funds. First, you would open the Write Checks window. Then select the Client Trust Checking Account from the Bank Account drop-down at the top of the window. You then enter the name of the state agency to whom you remit the escheated funds from the Pay to the Order of drop-down within the check form. You can set the name as a vendor within your vendor list. You can then enter the amount of the client's escheated trust funds into the dollars field. Be sure to enter a detailed description of the escheatment into the memo field as well. Then on the Expenses tab shown at the bottom of the check window, select the Client Trust Liabilities account. This will remove the amount returned from the amount of liability owed to the client. Be sure to note the reason in this memo field as well. You can then select the name of the client and case matter from the Customer Job column, and be sure to indicate that these are not billable amounts entered. When you are finished, you can then print the check if needed. After recording and printing the check, just simply click the Save and Close button. You will then need to remit the check along with any accompanying reporting required by your state to the designated vendor.
Like what you see? Get your free trial of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/lawyers.